Hello, hello. Give me 1 second, guys. Good afternoon, Arccelity. How are you today? Waiting for a few more people to join and we'll get started here soon. Weekends are the best, so pretty good. Same here, dude. Same here. Don't have class this Monday because it's a federal holiday, so I have a bit of an extended weekend. Hopefully, I will get most of this done by Monday, the 20th. What holiday is today? I don't think there is a holiday today, is it? Monday is MLK Day, so yeah. That's why I'm not in class that day. Alright, come on guys, gonna get a few more people. Did I pick the worst time to stream? Usually. By now we usually get about 3 people though. Actually, might be a good time to see about my bit rate. Because I keep getting an error or a message telling me that the bit rate is too low, so hopefully I have fixed it now. Okay, I actually did fix it. Sweet. 6800. I was using 25 for the longest time. I mean, to be quite honest, as long as the quality isn't horrible, I'm not at all worried about it. Yeah, I used 2500 for the longest time, but YouTube doesn't appear to like that, and it keeps giving me a message to use 6800. I mean, honestly, as long as the stream is clear and easy to read everything, I'm completely fine. It looks like we have a second person to join, so welcome, whoever you are. But anyway, basically, what I've been doing is just streaming myself, creating this website. I have finally moved everything over to my XAMPP folder, so if I actually go to the Explorer here and go under htdocs, everything is right here. And it'll be easy as just copying the files over and sending them to the actual server. So, yeah. Pretty good. Simply waiting now. Waiting just for a few more people to hop in, and hopefully we'll get started here. Alright, right now I guess I'm going to do a little bit of debugging, so... Oh, that doesn't work. Whoops, let me actually copy and paste that whole line so I can put it here too, and just simply change this to login. Perfect. Oh, there we go. Alright, I got rid of the image. The image just kept bugging me. It was absolutely horrible, so that's why I got rid of it. But want to make sure that the account creation still works. Your email address or password is incorrect. Okay, it immediately took me to login, so not sure why. Or actually, let's go to the index. Okay, so we didn't even get a user created, and I can confirm this by going to phpMyAdmin. Yeah, didn't even make anything. Okay, so that's unfortunate. Let's see what we did wrong. Or actually, wait a minute. Before I even look at the PHP, I need to actually look at... Let's create account. That's why. So then this one should be right. Okay, of course. How much was the domain? So I pay $20 a year for it at the moment. That's how much it was worth when I bought it. Why are you doing that? Okay, so... Okay, so no user was created. That's a good question. Reminds me that I need to renew my domain. Really? I didn't know you had a domain. What do you use it for? Okay, so hold on. Okay, it's taking me to code 107. So what I should be doing then is coming up to here. Collects dust at the moment since I've been on a coding break. Huh. What was your plans with it? Where in the heck is 107 code? What are your plans for this website? It's just gonna be like an online coding forum, pretty much. So kind of like GitHub and Stack Overflow, but put together. A little bit of Reddit mixed in too, maybe some Twitter, who knows. Oh, that's pretty neat. You kind of like using it, kind of like a portfolio, but also for like other things as well. Which, speaking of, I need to actually make a website for myself as a portfolio. So I'm actually confused. I don't know why that's not working. Is it not finding... It's taking me here. 107. Okay. This is old code. This is old code, by the way, guys, so... Some of this, yeah, because, like, I stopped using snake case in here. Hey, baby, how are you? In the world is this? Where am I getting... Why am I getting taken to 107? Okay, so it has just a password. Prepares, injects into the thing. Uh-huh. This doesn't make any sense. Dope, I'm gonna be bookmarking this site. When do you think it'll be completed by? Well, I'm hoping to release the first part in a week or so. Second part, I'm not sure yet. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? It doesn't even echo anything. For some reason it's redirecting me to the login page, which should not be happening. And if I try and basically log in, yeah, I don't, yeah, it didn't even create my account. So I'm confused. It redirects me to log in, and then it uses code 107. So if I go to login handler now, yeah, it's like doing this here, but it shouldn't even be doing that. So, what I'm, like, seriously confused by now... PHP signup handler.php. Yeah, that's it. So I'm actually a little bit confused. Hello, Medith316, how are you? Why is it doing this? 107. I don't even have that code in here. You know what? When in doubt, turn it off and turn it back on again. When in doubt, turn it off and turn it back on again. Right, guys? Right. Why is it doing that? It's not right. There is nothing in this code that is telling it to do that. Alright, we're gonna go by this one by one. Okay, so I include database, check if the request method is Control-Shift-F. Yeah, it's only in the login handler PHP file, not the sign up one. And this is the one I'm in. I'm in the create account page, as shown back right here. So quite literally, that header redirect doesn't even exist in this file. I'm actually wondering, did I do something wrong a long time ago and never caught it? Form action PHP / signup handler .php. You know what? I'm gonna leave it blank and see what... Oops. Whatever, I'll do that. Yeah, so that doesn't do anything, but... Alright, so it's going to point to this file here, which should work. Now, refresh it. No, what am I doing? Alright, test at gmail.com. Test, or hold on. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. And crap, hold on. 4, 5. Okay, now it works. Okay, that's a little bit weird. So, just getting rid of this and writing it back again actually fixed that. And now, if I go to here, yeah, I got one user in the system now. That's perfect. Okay, but oddly enough, if I actually come back here, the error code system doesn't work, so I want to fix that by coming down here. Okay, it's because I don't have the modal, so what I need to do is go to login and grab that modal and just chuck it right down here. Now, there we go. The modal's here. Perfect. Now, test at gmail.com. What's it? Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The requested URL was not found on this server. Why are you... Oh, it's because it's an HTML file. Hee, I'm so goofy. Change that. Bing, bam, bada, boom. Okay. Select from... Alright, stack trace. Online 20. Alright, what'd I goof up this time? Let's find out together. Line 20. Oh, okay, that's because that's supposed to be email address, not email. There we go, perfect. PHP doesn't work yet, but that's okay, I'll fix that soon. These are all example recent activities, which I'm going to fix later. Now what I do need to do is actually go to my Explorer here, go under htdocs, www, and I need to make a folder called cdn.houseofcode.xyz. And that's the folder on the actual server that it will house everyone's magnificent, beautiful, exquisite code that they upload. And speaking of that, I actually need to go to PHP my admin. As sweet Marlene's, we have an account. Let's freaking go. And we have an ID. So UUID works. That's good. All this is good. Oh my gosh. I love this now. Thank you. About time it worked. So, in theory, if I come up... Where am I at? There it is. Okay, that's fine. Test file. Hey, dweebs, this is a test file, LMAO. Oh, you wanna know something I'm really proud of? So, let's say I just grab a, scripts file out of here. Like upload.js. Check this out. Pretty gnarly, right? But I don't think it's gonna work. Well, the drag and drop should, in theory, work. For matter of fact, I'll just do this. Okay, sweet. So now, upload. Why aren't you uploading? Alright, let's go to upload file. Hey, dummy. Why aren't... Oh. Test file. Test description. And this time I'll actually browse it, because there might actually be a problem with that I just haven't noticed until now. Invalid file type. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean invalid file type? Alright, let's go to upload file.php. Okay, so why haven't I allowed... You know what? I don't care. File uploaded successfully, data saved successfully. This is just a bunch of stuff that well, filters depreciated, but oh well, who cares? Now, of course, I do plan to make this more professional. Instead of having it actually redirect to the echo page, is what I call it, by the way. I'll have it put a mode down in the middle of the screen, like I would if I was creating an account. So, if I look here... And this folder is empty, my friends. Okay, wonderful. So, I screwed up. Great. To target path. So why didn't it... Okay. You know what? I didn't have the users folder, I bet. I bet that's what killed me there. And then, inside the users folder will be each user ID and then file uploads. And then it'll have that file. So, and I didn't get anything there. That's okay. Whoops, wrong tab. So, I'm gonna resend the data. Okay. Duplicate entry UUID v4 for key primary and... Okay. That shouldn't be happening. Uncaught, duplicate UU. Alright. Oh shoot, is it because I... Oh! Crap, okay. It's expecting freaking, I forgot, htdocs is root path. Instead of htdocs www. So if I actually come back here... Gee, look at that. And all I gotta do is open it. So that actually did work. I'm just an idiot and didn't realize that I was messing it up. Okay. Well, I mean, at least I know that works. I might have to debug it a little bit more when I actually send it to the server. But what I want to do now is I want to come over here, but why duplicate entry? Resend, resend, resend. All right, test, test. We're gonna do the Minecraft credits. All right. $79. Is this being interpreted as a primary key instead by accident? Wonder if that's why. Structure. No, this is primary. Aha! This is it right here. That's why, that's why. Yeah, okay, so it's uploading the file, but it just can't append the data to the database because for some reason user ID was also UUID, which I don't remember making it that, but actually I did not make it that. That's weird. Oh well, I'm gonna assume that I probably did. Yeah, so I need to change this here too. None, text, save. All right. Well, I'm going to, all right, users. So this is my user ID. This is what your user ID will look like. I know it doesn't look like anything familiar like Discords or whatever. This is using UUID v4. And then under file, then there'll be file uploads. Here I'll have like forum uploads as well. And then your profile picture will be here as well. And inside here will be all your file uploads and crap like that. So I'm going to wipe this database. Or wipe the table, I'm sorry. Wherever that is at. And delete from forums where 0 should delete everything. Wait, no, not forums. We go to files. Okay, so description's not anything. Okay, that's me, author. And then title is title test title, and then description is blank, which description should not be blank. So we are gonna have to take care of that. But SQL, so delete from where description. Is it null like this? One row deleted. Okay, there we go. So that works. You guys enjoying the stream so far? Now, I wonder why I go to get out of that, get out of that, get out of that. And I actually go to the upload file page. Actually, I'll just get rid of that. Multi-part form data. Okay. Text area name body ID equals body. So then I should be able to come here. I think that might be why. Or hold on, wait. Let me refresh this. Test title. Test, test, test. Let's do YT credits. Just a random text file I don't care about. I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay. Browse. And okay, our description works. Perfect. Sweet. That's what I want. So now I should be able to go to files.php. Okay. Uncaught MySQL execution. I'll give you 1 second. Unknown column, DB date. Okay, so... Oh, it's date. That's why. I'm an idiot. Perfect. Files, files, files. Hooray! And... Hey, that's not supposed to be there. What are you doing here? Well, hold on now. Undefined array. Looks like an error message on 6. So something on 6. Oh, you know what? Okay, there we go. I don't even know why that was there. Okay, so this works. So test title by so this is a text file. Test title, test, test, test by test with a bunch of T's. So that's great. How's everybody doing, by the way? Thought I should ask. Okay, so link card. So then what I will do here is on click location.href. Oh wait, no, it's window.location, sorry. Now, for here, it's going to be well, you know what? I don't even need that there, actually. Not at the moment. Because if I remember correctly, viewfile.php is just gonna take let's see. Yeah, we're not going to do author or title anymore. We're just going to get the ID. So author ID and so if I come here and hold on, let me just thank you. And I should be able to paste it. Yep. I should be able to type in view file.php ID equals to this blob or whatever it's called. Warning, undefined variable formatted file content and blah blah blah. A bunch of warnings. Are you kind of leaking some of the code? Well, I wouldn't call it leaking because it's not really sensitive code. It's code that like anyone can learn and just get off of the web. But like I am kind of showing my process at going about some of these things. Anyway, what is this thing's problem? Line 92. What's your problem, line 92? Alright. Undefined variable. What do you mean? It's defined right here, bud. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah. It's kind of weird. It's defined. No, I have my, or actually, wait a minute. Let me remove that first off. There we go. Yeah, no, because I have it as ID up here. Is that why then? Okay, yep, you're right. That is why. So this works. Perfect. And what's even better is, if I go back to, and this is a bug, so I need to fix that. Actually, wait a minute. Since I copied this, yay, it works. But whoops. So the download button, what that's actually going to do is basically it will take me to something like, let me go to my Explorer here. So basically, what this download button here is supposed to do is whenever I click it, it'll redirect me to this link here. So, we'll post. Yeah, it'll take me to this here, and I can kind of just copy and paste it, or I can download it. Which I think can be, no, can't do that. But yeah, you get the point. Basically, you're supposed to be able to access the file. Now, this is really nice because what this means is you could program something and make it run a script that's on House of Code's website, kind of like how you would for Pastebin or something like that. So you could run scripts or programs that are on the cloud somewhere. That's exactly why I wanted to do this. So basically, that's what the redirect would be for that. Hello, Repairing. Welcome to the stream. So this works, but it can be improved. That's undefined for some reason. You use session? Yes, I do. As of right now, at least. I plan to implement some form of system where a person can log in, and even when they close the browser, they'll stay logged in for as long as their device is remembered. Anyways, let's fix this here title. No, but it's all I'm really able to use at the moment until I find a different way of doing it. I mean, sessions aren't really that bad for like just simple websites like what I have. But, I mean, it's all I have at the moment. Author is equal to row. I mean, if you don't mind me asking, like, what do you think is a better system to use other than session? What's a better way of logging in or handling logins? Cookie? That's something I could look into. I'm rather new to this, so... Can you create cookies through PHP? I want to say yes, you can, but I've never heard or seen anyone do that yet. Alright, that works. Alright, I'll definitely look into that and see what I can do. Thank you for the suggestion. Well, this is pretty much it. Language echo extension. Let's try to upload a Python file. Oh, whoops. So let's log in here. Alright. Of course, this is all going to change. It's just horrible looking at the moment. Oh, are they? Oh, well, actually, hold on. My Python script. Guys, it's my Python script. Let's actually make it JS. Lorem ipsum. Where is lorem ipsum? Alright, let's see, what do I want to upload? Scripts, upload.js. What? Duplicate entry for key primary key. What do you mean? I use SQLi. SQLi. SQLi, not lie. Okay, so time to figure out why this is being a piece of dirt. Okay, so... Yeah, it's right here. Insert into files, user ID, author. Title, description, file name, extension path. Blood should pay a front-end designer. Well, you're right, I could pay for one, I probably should, but I'm not, because I don't learn anything that way. And this website I'm making is an experiment, and something that I will hold dear to my heart. Anyways, again, why isn't this working? Yeah, I see it's trying to use the same ID, but the thing is, I mean, in theory, as far as I'm concerned, it's, user ID isn't a, primary key. So what's the issue with that then? This is a primary key, but it should generate a new one, no problem. Do you know React or any JS libraries? No, I do not. Yeah, it's not generating one. That's what I'm a little bit confused about. Which I need to get this bug squashed, especially because if I show you here, it uploads the file, but it just doesn't append it to the database. So if I miss this, then what would happen is, you know, it would upload the file, but nobody would be able to access it because there's nothing to query. Is what not null? ID or user ID? Ah! It didn't even generate. Well, what happened was... It's not running the function. Yeah, it's literally putting the function here, so... UUID generate before. So what happened was it interpreted this as the primary key instead of actually generating it. Okay, it's weird then. Can it be... I use UUID? It might be then. Actually, here, I'm gonna delete this record. So... change. Where is it? This one? It should be from base MySQL because I've used UUID before just like that. I know I've used it somewhere. UUID, yeah. So if I go here, files, yeah, it's just, or whoops. How to set function UID as default in MySQL. I want the real, okay, yeah. Yeah, it should be not null. Hold on, let me... Oh wait, that's my account, whoops. Files. Or wait a minute. Yes, this is not my account, whoops. Yeah, it says null, no, so I'm assuming that means not null. But see, like, look, down here, I'm calling a function like this current timestamp. Maybe it needs to be a... Maybe it needs to be a char and not varchar. I think it's a length. I think you can set it to any length you want. I think, though. Maybe it's little UUID and not big UUID. I mean, we can only test. No, that didn't work. Binary 16. All right. Function or expression, 0x UUID can't be. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna let me do length 16 of binary. Primary key UUID. So, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. I think I just have to do add field. I think it's because I don't even make fields using SQL, but I think it's add field. You know, I didn't want to chat GPT this, but set whoops. All right, woohoo! Send data. Let's freaking go. We got it to work. Okay, so turns out I can't just write the function in like the little default text box. I actually have to use SQL to do it. This is the stuff I put myself through. And if I wanted to, I can upload another one. Test 2, test 2. And this time I'll upload this one. For gaming, we did it. Now, SQL can suck my butt. I hate it. Alright. Files.php. What do you mean? Oh, that's what you mean. Okay, there we go. Woohoo, we're gaming, we're gaming. So now, if I were to just choose a random one of these and type in view, what is this? What do you mean? Let's get rid of all this. I don't need it. Okay, so view file. I did get ID, so let's see where I went wrong here. That's why it messed up. Okay, so we have that working. But syntax highlighting is having a bit of a goof right now. So I need to fix the syntax highlighting. All right. So if I go ahead and inspect element, echo extension, that's because this is not in correct format. So now if I refresh this, all right, sweet. So we get actual syntax highlighting. That's what I wanted. Perfect. We're squashing bugs one by one here. Now I gotta do something with this ugly background and preferably change up the CSS here. So we're gonna do a little bit of front end work today now. Done with the back end for now. Just wanted to squash some of these bugs before I release the final product momentarily. Okay. File.css. Container. So I'm actually gonna write the code on my other screen for now. Just because I need to... Oh, this isn't gonna actually work for me today. I think there might be a problem with trying to get the... wonder, is it this? Nope. A is undefined. I don't know what that is. Is the file even updating? It is. So why is it when I try and change the CSS, it doesn't want to do that? What if I changed the background to some ridiculous color? No, even that didn't work. Oh, why isn't it? Okay. I don't think the CSS is gonna want to load today, so I'll probably work on this another time. But what I could do is check out this other one. Oh, that's right, it doesn't work. Oh well. At least I achieved somewhat what I wanted to do. I wanted to do a little bit of debugging. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this stream and would like to see more of them just like this one, be sure to let me know in the comments, subscribe, and if you haven't already, join my Discord server. And next time I stream, I'll probably do the Discord bot again, just to change things up. Don't want to just get too much into this. But other than that, I will see you guys later, and you all have a wonderful night. Bye-bye, everyone.